Dear students, we were doing ICSE Mathematics mensuration. We have solved 4 problems for you. It is like this: a cylindrical container with diameter of the base 42 centimeter contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid of iron with dimensions 22 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 10.5 centimeter. Find the rise in the level of the water when the solid is submerged. It is rectangular, RECTAN, rectangular, rectangular solid. Now, let the rise in the level of water be 8 centimeter, and as because the diameter of the base is 42 centimeter, therefore its radius will be 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Therefore volume of water displaced equal to volume of water submerged according to the situation. So volume of water displaced is equal to 22 by 7, that is pi r square into h. H is the rise in the level of water. H is equal to volume of the solid, iron solid. Therefore H is equal to 22 into 24 into 10.5 by 22 by 7 into 21 into 22. Calculating this, we will get that H is equal to 2 whole 1 by 3. Therefore rise in level of water will be 2 whole 1 by 3 centimeter. Next question is, the radius of a solid circular cylinder decreased by 20% and its height is increased by 10%. Find the percentage change in its volume and curved surface area. Very complicated sum. Carefully note it. Let the radius be r and height be h of the original solid cylinder, and therefore the volume will be pi r square h and the curved surface area will be 2 pi r h. Before it was decreased the radius or the height. Now the radius after 20% decrease, that is 20%, 100 minus 20 equal to 80 by 100 into r, that is 4r by 5. And height after 10% increase, it will be 100 plus 10 by 100, that is 11h by 10. Therefore present volume after changing will be pi r square into h, which is 176 by 250 pi r square h. It is after changing. Therefore decrease in volume is pi r square h minus 176 250 pi r square h, that is 74 by pi r square h. This is the change in volume, that is decrease. Therefore percentage of change, it will be percentage of change by original into 100, that is this is change into 100 by original. Pi r square cancel out and it is 148 by 5, that is 29.6%. Therefore volume change is 29.6%, and present curved surface area after the change equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. By cancelling this, you will get 44 pi r square h by 25. So decrease in area, surface area, that is curved surface area, will be 6 pi r h by 25. Therefore percentage in change equal to change into 100 by original, that is twice pi r h, which is 12%. So area will be changed 12% and volume will be changed 29.6%. These two are answers. Next question, it is also very complicated question. It is like this: a circular tank of diameter 2 meter is dug and the earth is removed, is spread uniformly all around the tank to form an embankment 2 meter in width and 1.6 meter in height. Find the depth of the circular tank. You have to find out the depth. Let the diameter of the tank, no, it is given. Diameter of the tank is 2 meter and radius, therefore 2 by 2 equal to 1 meter. A radius including 2 meter width of the embankment will be 1 plus 2, that is 3 meter, and volume of the dug up earth will be pi r square minus r square. This is capital R, this is small r. R square minus r square into h according to your given formula which was given previously. So it is 12.8 pi meter cube, and let the depth of the tank be d. Therefore, the volume of the earth taken out will be like this. Volume equal to pi r square into this. So diameter d is equal to 2.8 meter. Depth of the circular tank is 12.8 meter. This equal to same. This so much complicated, but the answer is very easy. Now another one, two solid cylinders with one diameter 60 centimeter and height 30 centimeter, and the other with radius 30 centimeter and height 60 centimeter are melted and recasted. These two solid cylinders are melted and recasted into a third solid cylinder of height 10 centimeter. We have to find out the diameter of the cylinder so formed. So for first cylinder, the radius will be diameter by 2, that is 30 centimeter, and height is given 30 centimeter. And that of the second cylinder, radius is given 30 centimeter, height is 60 centimeter. These two cylinder, volume of these two cylinder will be equal to the volume of the third cylinder, that is recasted, which is recasted. So radius of the recasted cylinder be r centimeter. Therefore volume of the recast cylinder equal to volume of first and second cylinder, that is pi r square into h. H here is 10 equal to pi r square, pi common, r square into h, and pi r square first cylinder and second cylinder volume of. So it is like this. By calculating, we are getting r equal to 90 centimeter. That is the radius of the third cylinder, which is so formed, is 90 centimeter. So diameter of the cylinder, the new cylinder will be 2 into 90, that is 180 centimeter. It is the answer. So many problems and their solves are waiting for you, for which may come in exams. So exam special is waiting for you. Be serious with your reading. Today this much. That's all.